Chapter 11, Sample Problem 9. In each case, a student is holding a meter stick horizontally. Each meter stick has a mass attached at the 50 centimeter mark and another at the 100 centimeter mark. The meter sticks are identical, and the specific values and locations are given in the figures. Is the magnitude of the torque by the student on the meter stick greater in case A, greater in case B, or the same in both cases? And of course, explain. So what we're really saying is, what counter torque do we have to exert to handle the fact that these two things exert a torque around your wrist? Which means we should just compute the torques. In both cases, the torques are going to be in the same sense. They're both going, this is going to torque it clockwise and clockwise, also clockwise and clockwise. And so we can see that we don't really care about the direction as long as they're in the same directions. Before we go any sort of further, the quick instinct that we'll prove later is that it's going to be more in case A because more mass is located further out, and we know that that increases the torque that's coming out. So we expect that the answer is going to be greater in case A. Now, just for convenience, let's show it in each case. Let's actually measure the forces in each case. So we'll call the 50s will be our red guys. And they have a distance of L/2 or L. And the hundreds will be a blue guy with this line of action and a distance of L, or this one with a line of action which is L/2. So in case A, our total torque is 50 times L/2 plus 100 times L, which is 25L plus 100L, or 125L, in whatever weird torque units that the problem will be in. And then here our torque is 100 times L/2 plus 50 times L, which is 50L plus 50L, or 100L. So close, but A is definitely more. Right? This is the larger one, confirming this is the correct answer.